this week, and then the rest of your homework is actually going to be you reading A Nate the Great. So you don't have that much Teacher Ann homework this week. Okay, so this one is read, and read and read like I read a book, and I will read a book. And then Jake, you don't have to say anything. Hey Jake.
Hold on.
Yeah, you don't have to say anything. I'm making a video, so you can just relax and watch me, okay?
Watch it.
Tell, laugh, while, once, pretty. Open, by, 8 like the number 8, and 8 like I ate my lunch. EIGH makes A, what A. This one is 2 like I went to the park. This one we use TOO in too much, and then I went there too. So not only did you go there, but I also went there. So this means like it's used in the place of also. So I went there too, and I ate too much. And then this is the number 2, TWO. Okay, here are our strategies. So plus 0, anything plus 0 equals itself. And we're going to do 18 plus 0 equals 18. Yep, it means itself.
0 plus 0.
Then plus 1, we go up 1, so 15.
0 plus 0 is 0.
That's right. 15 plus 1, we go up 1 from 15, it's 16. For plus 2, we go up 2. So 8 plus 2, we count up 9, 10. Up 3, we go up 2, we go up 1 more. So 7 plus 3, we count up 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 3, we count up 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 3, we count up 9, 10, 11. Plus 10, we rewrite the number in front, and we put a 1 in front of it. So, Mr. Jake, do I need to mute you, my friend? Because I can. I have that power. Okay, so now we're going to do 10 plus 7. We're going to rewrite the 7 right here. We're going to put a 1 right here. And then we are going to make it into a 17. This one, we have our 9, so we rewrite our 9. We put in 1 in front of it. It's 19. Our new strategy is plus 9. You go up 10 and then back 1. So 9 plus 9, we're going to act like it's a 10 plus 9, which is 19. And the reason why we pretend is because 10 plus 9 is super easy to do. So I call this go to what you know. I already know something that's close to 9 plus 9.
9 plus 9 is 19.
So I'm going to use that, and I am going to make it so that it's super easy for me to figure out. And here it is. It is 9 plus 7. So we're going to act like it is 10 plus 7. So we're going to do 10 plus 7 equals 17 minus 1 equals 16. You're on mute right now, buddy. 10 plus 8 is what we're going to use for 9 plus 8, because 10 plus 8 is super easy for me to do. 10 plus 8 equals 18 minus 1 equals 17. Now here's the cool thing. If I know what plus 10 is, I can figure out what plus 11 is. So if I had 11 plus 7, I'm going to use my 10 strategy because it's so helpful. So I'm going to say 11 plus 7 is kind of the same as 10 plus 7. So I'm going to say 10 plus 7 equals 17. But I'm not doing 10 plus 7. I'm doing 11 plus 7, which means I have to add 1 to my 10 plus 7. So 17 plus 1 equals 18. So I'm going to do that one again. 11 plus 5. I'm going to use 10 plus 5 as my strategy. 10 plus 5 equals 15, plus 1 more equals 16. Now, I know that if I have this plus 10 strategy, I could use it for plus 9. I can use it for plus 11. I can use it for plus 12 as well. So 12 plus 6. I'm going to say I know 10 plus 6 equals 16, but I'm not doing 10 plus 6, I'm doing 12 plus 6, so I have to add 2 more on the back. So 10 plus 6 equals 16, plus 2 equals 18. 12 plus 8. I know 10 plus 8 equals 18, but I'm not doing 10 plus 8, I'm doing 12 plus 8, so I have to add the 2 to the back. 18 plus 2 equals 20. And then the most amazing thing happens. I can also use that for plus 13 and plus 14, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to say 13 plus 6. I'm going to use 10 plus 6 as my strategy, but then I know I'm not doing plus 10, I'm doing plus 13. So I'm going to say 10 plus 6 equals 16 plus 3. And I know my plus 3 strategy is to break it into a plus 2 and a plus 1, or just count up 3 times. So I'm going to start at 16, and I'm going to go 17, 18, 19. 13 plus 5, 10 plus 5 equals 15. And now I'm going to count up 3 from 15. I'm going to say 16, 17, 18. So plus 10 is a very useful strategy. Now I'm going to do plus 14. Oops, I put 13. Okay, so I'm going to use 10 plus 8, and I know my plus 4 strategy is plus 2 and plus 2. So my 14 strategy is going to be to use my 10 plus whatever number and to add 2 and 2 more. It's getting a little tricky, so let's go over that again. Plus 14, we're going to go up 10, and then we're going to go up plus 2 more, plus 2 more. So 14 plus 8 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 2 is 19, 20, plus 2 more is 21, 22. 10 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 is how I'm going to deal with 14 plus 7. And I don't care if you understand this now. Mom's going to play this for you. I'm on vacation next week, so you have 2 weeks. And even then, in 2 weeks, if you don't understand it, it's okay. I can go over it as many times as you need to. So 10 plus 7 is 17, plus 2 is 18, 19, plus 2 is 20, 21. So 14 plus 7 equals 21. So we're going to go over all the strategies again. Plus 0, anything plus 0 is itself. Plus 1, we go up 1. Plus 2, we go up plus 2. Plus 3, we break it into a plus 2 and a plus 1, or we just count up 3 times. So something like 16 plus 3, we're going to start at 16 and go 17, 18, 19. Plus 4, we break it into a plus 2 and a plus 2. Plus 10, we add a 1 to the front of the number that we're adding. Plus 9, we use our plus 10 strategy, but then we have to go back. So if we have 8 plus 9, we're going to do 10 plus 8 and then minus 1. Plus 11 strategy, we use our plus 10 strategy, and then we go up 1 more from there. So if I had 11 plus 5, I'm going to say 10 plus 5 plus 1. Our plus 12 strategy is same thing, but instead I'm going to use my plus 10 strategy, and I'm going to say 10 plus 6, and then I'm going to go up 2 more on the back. Plus 13, I'm going to use the same strategy, but I'm going to add 3 on the back. So I'm going to say 10 plus 7, and I like to break my 3 into a 2 and a 1. It just makes it easier to work with, but you can also keep it as a 3. So 10 plus 7 is 17, and then count up 18, 19, 20. Plus 14, we're going to say 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 2 is 19.